Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you for clicking in. So today I'm bringing you this nice radical equation that I want us to solve for the value of x when given the square root of 4 minus x plus the square root of x plus 1 is equals to 3. So what is the value of x? So before we begin, remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. So our first step here, we'll begin by this term. We shall bring this term to our right hand side. Therefore, this will be square root 4 minus x is equals to 3. Then this will be minus square root x plus 1. Right? So our next step is to square both sides. So we shall square this side and square this side as well. So this square here will cancel with the square root, and this will be 4 minus x is equals to, so we have this. So we shall label this as our a and this as our b. So a minus b, all this squared, we can as well write it as a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So this is our a and this is our b. So let us express this into this form. So a squared, this is 3 squared minus 2, a which is 3, b which is square root x plus 1 bracket plus b squared. So this is x plus 1, all this squared. Right? So next step, 4 minus x is equals to, this is 9 minus, so 2 times 3, this is 6, square root x plus 1 plus, so we have square root x plus 1 squared. So this square will cancel with the square root and this will be x plus 1. Okay, so our next step, we shall now bring this to our left hand side and bring this to our right hand side. So this is negative, therefore this will remain as positive. So 6 the square root x plus 1 is equals to, so this is 9. Then we are bringing this to the other side and we are left with this. So this is plus x plus 1 minus, so this is 4 plus x. Okay, so our next step, 6 square root x plus 1 is equals to, so we have 9 plus 1, this is 10, 10 minus 4, this is 6, plus x plus x, this is 2x. So we shall now divide here by 6, divide here by 6. So this and this will cancel and we are left with the square root of x plus 1 is equals to, we shall rearrange this, so this will be 2x plus 6 over 6, right? So next step, we are having the square root of x plus 1 is equals to, we can factor out here 2, so 2 into x plus, so this is 3 over 6, we can write it as 2 times 3. So this and this will cancel out. So we are left with square root x plus 1 is equals to x plus 3 over 3. Okay, so we can now square all the sides. So we shall square this side and square this side. So this square will cancel with the square root. So x plus 1 is equals to, we shall now expand this. So x times x squared, this is x squared. So 3 times x plus 3 times x, this is 6x plus 3 squared, this is 9 over 3 squared is 9. Right? So we shall now introduce here our denominator. So we can now cross multiply. So let's do that. X plus 1 times 9 is equals to x squared plus 6x plus 9. So this is 9x plus 9 is equals to x squared plus 6x plus 9. So this 9 will cancel with this 9 and we are left with 9x. So we can begin with this. So x squared, then plus 6x. So this comes to the other side, it becomes negative 9x is equals to 0, right? So x squared, so 6x minus 9x, this is minus 3x is equals to 0. So we can now factor out x. So this will be x into x minus 3 is equals to 0. So we have now the first value of x. X is equals to 0. And on the other side, x minus 3 is equals to 0. This means that x is equals to 3. So we have two values of x. X is equals to 0 or x is equals to 3. So let us now check to confirm whether x is equals to 3 satisfies our given equation. So to check, so our initial equation is the square root of 4 minus x, which is 3, plus the square root of x, which is 3 plus 1, is equals to 3. So the square root of 4 minus 3, this is 1, plus or minus the square root of 3 plus 1, this is 4. So the square root of 4, this is 2, is equals to 3. So the square root of 1 is 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. So 3 is equals to 3. So our left hand side and our right hand side are the same, meaning x is equals to 3 satisfies our given equation. Equation that I want us to solve for the value of x when given square root x minus 2 plus square root x minus 1 is equals to 1. So what is the value of x? So before we begin, remember to like the video and subscribe. So kindly subscribe. So our first step, we'll begin by squaring both sides. So we'll square this side and square this side as well. So this will be the square root x minus 2 plus square root x minus 1 is equals to 1. So we shall square this side and square this side, right? Our next step, we shall label this as our a and this as our b. So a plus b squared, we can as well write it as a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So we are going to express this into this form, where this is our a and this is our b. So a squared, therefore this becomes square root x minus 2 squared plus b squared, which is square root x minus 1 squared plus 2a, which is square root x minus 2. So this is a into bracket, then bracket b square root x minus 1 is equals to 1, right? So this square will cancel with the square root and this square will cancel with the square root. So x minus 2 plus x minus 1 plus 2. So we have this square root in common. Then bracket x minus 2 into bracket x minus 1 is equals to 1. Nice. So our next step, x plus x, this gives us 2x, negative 2 plus negative 1, this gives us negative 3 plus 2, the square root of x minus 2 bracket x minus 1 is equals to 1. Nice. So now let us solve this. Let us open this bracket here. So 2x minus 3 plus 2 square root. So x times x, this is x squared. X times -1, this is -1x. -2 times x, this is -2x. -2 times -1, this is +2, is equals to 1, right? So 2x minus 3 plus 2 square root x squared, then minus 1x minus 2x, this gives us -3x plus 2 is equals to 1. So our next step, let us now bring this to our right hand side. So we are bringing this to our right hand side. So this will be 2 square root x squared minus 3x plus 2 is equals to 1 minus 2x, -3, this becomes plus 3. So 2 square root x squared minus 3x plus 2 is equals to -2x plus 4. Okay, so our next step, we shall divide this by 2 and divide this by 2 to simplify it. So this will be 2 and 2 will cancel. The square root of x squared minus 3x plus 2 is equals to, so this and this will cancel, so -x, 2 here, 2. Okay, so we shall square this side and square this side as well. So this square will cancel with the square root, and x squared minus 3x plus 2 is equals to -x plus 2 squared. So if we expand this, this will give us x squared minus 4x plus 4. We can now get the value of x. So this will cancel with this, and -3x plus 2 is equals to -4x plus 4. So let us now collect the like terms together. So -3x plus 4x is equals to 4 minus 2. So this will give us x is equals to 4 minus 2, this is 2, and this is the value of x. X is equals to 2. So remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Tell us if you have another method to solve this radical equation. Bye bye. See you in my next video.